Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a chewy almond cookie. This is actually one of my favorite recipes to make. I grew up in an Italian household and we would typically make or eat amaretti cookies. This is not exactly an amaretti cookie, but I would say similar in terms of texture. But it's easier to make and a little less sugar. These are very much inspired by the Chinese almond cookie, which is inspired by the shape of a coin and is supposed to bring prosperity. It is another one bowl recipe, which I think you guys know that I love to do, and I love to share that with my audience. This is actually one of my neighbor's favorite recipes that I make, and I decided to make her a batch this week. So let's make a chewy almond cookie. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. You're going to grab a large bowl and you're going to add your softened butter. And then you're going to add your half a cup of sugar. There's only half a cup of sugar for this entire recipe, and it's about 12 to 15 cookies. You're going to mix your butter and sugar together, or cream it together. So you really want a nice creamy result after mixing. It's about 3 minutes or so. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Next, you're going to add your 1 egg and your almond extract, 1 teaspoon. And you're going to mix those together, about a minute or so. You're going to add your 1 teaspoon of baking powder and your 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt. And you're going to give that a mix. Again, because your baking powder is going in at this stage, you want to ensure that it's incorporated very well. Lastly, we're going to add our almond flour. We're going to add 2 cups. Using your electric beater, we want to mix this on low speed until it's well incorporated. And this is the type of texture that we're looking for. You're going to grab your baking sheet, and one of my favorite tools in the kitchen is an ice cream scoop. This is a medium-sized ice cream scoop. We're going to scoop onto our baking sheet, and we're going to give about 2 inches between each cookie just to help them spread out in the oven. This recipe makes between 12 and 15 cookies, depending on the size. Lastly, we're going to add a few sliced untoasted almonds on each cookie. There's no measurement here, just add a few to each cookie. I do recommend that you clean up all of those little tiny pieces of almonds on the baking sheet because they do burn very easily. And now it's time to bake at 350 for about 15 minutes. And they will come out beautiful, golden brown. You can leave your cookies on your tray for about 5 minutes, and then after that, you can transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. I hope you enjoy these easy, delicious, chewy almond cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do decide to try these almond cookies, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.